Let's set up Canva on your mobile and figure out which plan is best for you. Follow along with me. First, download the Canva app from your App Store and open it. Second, sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you reach the welcome screen, you will see two plan options, Free and Pro. Here's what they offer. In the free plan, you get access over 250,000 templates, basic design tools and 5 GB storage, collaboration features to work with friends or teams, limited access to premium content and AI powered tools, perfect for beginners or for exploring Canva's basics. In the Pro plan, you get to unlock 420,000 plus premium templates, advanced AI tools like Magic Studio, Magic Write, and Magic Design, 1 TB storage, and brand kit to maintain consistent branding, Pro only tools like background remover, magic resize, version history, and priority support. It also includes a 30-day free trial to test all features, ideal for side hustlers, content creators, and small businesses who want professional grade designs faster. Important tip: while using Canva, you might notice a crown icon next to some templates, elements, or features. That crown means it's pro only. If you're on the free plan, these won't be accessible unless you upgrade. Here's the thing, the free plan is great to start, but most of its elements are pre made. That's fine for personal projects, but if you want to create content commercially or sell designs, it can be limited. With Pro, everything you need is in one place: premium templates, AI powered tools, and crown feature elements that give you full creative flexibility. You don't need to jump between apps or make compromises. Basically, if you're serious about designing professionally, efficiently, and commercially, Pro is a better choice. Once you're signed up and logged in, you land on the Canva homepage, your creative workspace. From here, you can start your first design, explore templates, or jump into Magic Studio features if you're on Pro. Next, I'll guide you through navigating the Canva app and setting up your workspace efficiently so you can start designing like a pro right away.